Hey everyone, my name is Puranjay Parmar, and in this video I'm about to discuss 3 reasons why documenting and managing your design resources and inspiration is really important. And with the help of these well organized resources, how you can scale up your design efficiency and design skill by 10x time. So, without further ado, let's see what are those 3 reasons. Number 1, it saves time and accelerates your workflow. Imagine having a curated collection and a well detailed created library of design templates, inspirations, components, layouts, color palettes, typography sets, etc., which you can use whenever it is required. This is the power of collections, this is the power of documenting your design resource. Not only helps you save time, but also improves your overall design workflow efficiency. Now, the second reason is it acts as a creativity booster. When you expose yourself to new design inspiration, you learn the perspective. You learn what that particular design has to say. You learn new trends, you find new things, you learn new patterns. And when you document and organize all this stuff, you remember it for long. This organization will help you in those times when creativity goes down. And this brings me to the point 3. It solves creativity block. Now when you have a well designed, a well created, a well curated design resource bank, the thoughts like design emptiness, no ideas, creative blocks, creative issue is completely out of picture. Now you have something to bank on, to take a ready inspiration from. So these are the 3 reasons, these are the 3 vital reasons why having a well documented design inspiration and resource is a must. So that's it from this video. I will see you next time with some more amazing design related concepts. Until then, remember one thing: web design or any sort of design is simple, so let's keep it simple and let's make it simple. Happy designings.